Hello friends, my name is Atin. Today I am going to teach you a different kind of trees, how to make a different kind of trees with a pencil shading. Here my pencil 8B, I took it my 8B pencil. If you are not fine with your dark pencil, you can take it light pencil or any kind of HB pencil too. Today I am going to take it 8B pencil. Now we are going to start. First I am going to make it a simple tree, one curve which is going upside, again one curve which is going upside, again a few branches which is spreading out from the center. Here my few branches has been spread out. Now inside I am going to make it few strokes. If you want to make it edges at the center, you can make it edges. Again few strokes inside on the same direction. If it is going curve, give your strokes in a curve position. If it is going straight, give in a straight position. Same as usual where you had drawn a pencil strokes first. Here this is end of a log. Here my log is ready. Now here a few curve which is blocking a branches of the tree, which is going out curve. Now I am going to make it one tree which is going which will be a in curve, one curve, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here. This is my formal tree. After making this, you can give it few strokes inside. I am giving a slanting strokes on a right direction, not on a left direction. Here my tree is ready. If you want to make it a small tiny grass, by giving a strokes downside to upside, if you want to make it a small flowers on it, you can make it few dots on it. Here make it little bit dark on a downside, so it will be getting a land portion. Here my tree is ready. Here tree is ready, a simple tree. Here a grass. Now I'm going for a pine tree. First a straight line, again a small pointed line which is spreading out downside. Make it dark. Till down. It should be pointed at the up portion. Now one curve spreading out at the upside, make it small. Same thing here downside. Few small tiny branches spreading out. In the shading, please take it blunt pencil. Do not make it pointed more. Here my branches are out. Now few spiral inside. round and round. Create like a bunch which should be connected each and every. At the up portion we are going to make it a pointed tiny, so we have to cover it full. Same thing on opposite side. Few little bit inside too. Make it in round portion. It should be in a conical shape. Here my pine tree is ready. If you want center you can make it to give effect. Few stones at the downside by making curve with a dark toning. Again a length. Again few grass. Here a pine tree. Now I'm going to make it a coconut tree. Here one curve. Again same thing like a pine tree what we made it, but I'm going to make it little bit curve because as usual coconut tree grows on a saline length and it goes slant little bit. One curve, two curve, three curve, four curve, 5, 6, 7. Just spread out the lines. Now give strokes. First, if it is going to turn, you have to give a strokes, turning strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be joint strokes. And when it comes to end, make it in small. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3. Little bit rising upside because my main stamp is little bit upside, so I'm going to rise it upside and I'm giving a strokes on both the sides. See here, slanting, it is a slanting mode, it is not going to turn it, so I'm going in a slanting strokes, rising upside. Same thing when it goes at an end point, make it small. Big strokes, medium strokes and small strokes. Again same here, big strokes, medium strokes and small strokes. Same thing here, it is going little bit turn, so I am going to give a stroke turn. First big strokes, medium and small. Big, medium and small. Same thing here, big, medium and small. Big, medium and small. If you want to show coconut, make it circle with a dark tone. Here a coconut tree is ready. If you want to show a land, you can show a land here with a dark to light tone. Now if you want to make it a formal bushes, this is a coconut tree. Again, if you want to make it few bushes, you can make it by like this. This is a land portion. Dark toning, which is going slanting. Now it's going straight and again slanting like a curve shape. Same thing on upside. Slanting, straight and curve. Again slanting, straight and curve. Again slanting, straight and curve. Again slanting, straight, curve. Same thing going upside and making it narrow. Even also you can make it like a some freezing atmosphere. You can make it this type of tree in a freezing atmosphere, or you can also make it in a bushes form. Here are the different kind of trees, friends. You can make it by your own self. You can try it. Thank you.